Hello and welcome to a Vechain update video. Like always, first we take a look to the 3 days chart and then change to the shorter time frame. So in the daily chart we are tracking a 3-wave move to the upside, A, B, C. In this wave A, in the primary scenario we already saw our wave B and then A, B, C correction in red. So the next move to the upside would be in the wave C. In the 5-wave move, a C wave is always a 5-wave move. For that, we could have seen our first 1-2 setup, 1-2. Invalidation point for that would be the yellow line, because the wave 2 is only allowed to retrace 100% of the wave 1. So we would be in our wave 3 in the 5-wave move as well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this wave 3. Then the correction in the wave 4, and then again the 5-wave move to the upside in the wave 5 of this wave C. Ideal target for the wave C is the 100% level at 29 cents to the 123% level at 35 cents. So in the secondary scenario we also saw a 3-wave move to the upside in this wave A, but we are still in our wave B. Our wave B in an ABC structure, A, B, C in the blue count, and like always I'm gonna switch to the logarithmic chart, because in the wave A we would track a 5-wave move to the downside and not a 3-wave move. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we would be right now in our wave 5 in our target area. So let me switch back. Like I said, in the bearish count we would be in our wave 5. For that, the yellow microstructure 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Estimated target would be the 38.2% level at round about 1 cent. You can ignore, like always, the 61.8% level. From there, a pullback in the wave B, and then again a 5-wave move to the downside in the wave C of this wave B. And then the last move to the upside, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the wave C. And then we have an A, B, C structure. So let me switch to the shorter time frame. So in the shorter time frame, we are still working on a larger 5-wave move to the upside. For that, we could have seen a wave 1, wave 2, and we are working on this wave 3. Our target area for the wave 3 starts with the 161% level at 4.4 cents to the 261% level at 6 cents. So let me zoom into the 1-hour chart. So in the 1-hour chart, we are also tracking a 5-wave move. So we are always tracking a 5-wave move, because only a 5-wave move gives a certainty about a common trend. So for that, we could have seen a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and we are still in our wave 4. So in the past video, I had this WXY correction in the wave 4 from the X to the Y in ABC structure, and we were on this wave C. So we expected a lower low, but to be honest, it was quite a deep low in our wave 5. I didn't expect that that strong pullback to the downside in the wave 5, but we would count it like that: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in our wave C of the wave 4. And yeah, as you can see, we are very near to our invalidation point here in yellow, because the yellow line is at the height of this wave 1 at round about, let me see, at 2.1 cents. So that's our invalidation point for the 5-wave move to the upside. So still we miss 1 wave to the upside to complete the 5-wave move. So because we only have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and we still need this wave 5. Our target area for the wave 5 starts at the 61.8% level at 2.9 cents to the 100% level at 3.3 cents. Exactly. So what happened? So what will happen if we break through this yellow line? So yeah, I mean, what should I say? This move to the upside for me until yet looks like a 3-wave move. I mean, for me it looks clearly like a 3-wave move. So we have to ask us the question, so what possibilities we have? So we are if we break through this yellow line, the the odds will increase for our for our bearish scenario in the daily chart, as you can remember in the wave 5 for a lower low in our yellow box. So that will increase the odds for that. But what other possibilities we have bullish wise? So I mean, we could say maybe this red wave 2 hasn't found an end, so we would be in a larger ABC, for example. So a 3-wave move in the wave A, a 3-wave move in the wave B, and then a 5-wave move in the wave C. But then we have not that much space for this 5-wave move to the downside in a wave C for our wave 2. But maybe, I mean, we are tracking a 5-wave move to the upside in this red wave 1 in a diagonal structure. But maybe this is only a 3-wave move to the upside in an ABC. So that's our wave A. We saw a 3-wave move in our wave B. And we are working on a larger wave C in a diagonal structure. Means that we would see a 5-wave move to the upside, but the subwaves would be only 3-wave moves. So an ABC in the wave 1. Then we are working on a wave 2. Then on a wave 3. So I mean, that would be also a bullish possibility for that. But in that case, we need to reinterpret our bullish setup on the daily chart, because on the daily chart we are tracking a 5-wave move to the upside in a C wave, but not in a diagonal structure. So in that case, we need to change our bullish scenario on the daily chart, and the bearish scenario remains the same. So yeah, but I mean, we have to have a little bit more patience to see if we can see here a trend change to the upside in our target area of the wave 5, or if we break through this yellow line. We will see the next hour or the next days. That was a short Vechain update video. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, a comment, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.